All right, we're here with another egg rating. We got 2 eggs from 161 and Bullock. And 2 beautiful eggs. You can feel and see a blemish on this one. Not bad. I like them large like this. I love seeing these big, large eggs, almost like chicken eggs. We're gonna give them 3 out of 5. They're just a little dirty and a couple little blemishes. I'm looking forward to seeing a perfect egg. All right.